All right, guys, we got the Santa Fe Ultra 70. It's been in it for about 6 months. Been running great. We got set for 50 and usually keeps it right around 50. And we're gonna change the filter today. We've got a MERV 13. So I'm just gonna do some tests, just see what we're running into. I threw the alor on there with the dirty filter. There's my return grill. And we're getting like around 170. And I'm gonna throw the DG8 up there in the attic and just see what the iPad says with the filter that's been in there for about 6 months, and see what the new one says. See if we pick up any CFM. Maybe I should change my filters early. Just gonna take you guys along for the ride. All right, the Dehu's been running for about 5-10 minutes, and we're getting about 160. I got the vents open. Anything over 150 needs to have the vents open. You hold this button for 3 seconds and it will open up that spot right there. All right, guys, we're up in the attic and we've got static pressure port on the outgoing side, and on the incoming side I chose to go right by this little notch in the magnetic filter, so I didn't have to tap in anywhere. And it looks like we're getting 0.26 with the older filter. It's been 6 months. Like I said, it's working great. I didn't test in, so otherwise I could have got a static measurement or an airflow measurement beforehand. I should have commissioned it when I installed it. And then we're gonna put the new filter in, MERV 13, and see where she's at. All right, we got the new filter in, and we're running 0.26. I'm gonna bring the tablet downstairs, and then I'm gonna run the AC, see if there's any back pressure, and then also check the airflow with the alor. Old filter, not too bad. They've got a lot of pleats in it, so that's good. All right, we're back downstairs with the new filter, and we're getting right around the same airflow. Like I said, the static wasn't much different with the new one. That MERV 13 holds up. And then what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna turn the AC on. And since we got the Bluetooth DG8, I just wanna see what the static, what happens with my main AC, because it's tied into the supply plenum. And it's going to build a little bit of a back pressure, so just want to see what it does. I'm going to let this run for a little bit, and we'll check airflow too. All right, I went to Santa Fe's website, and it looks like we are right around here at the 0.2 area, and we're getting on the alor about 155 CFM, so we're in the ballpark. And we've got the AC running. I just got to wait for it to ramp up. It's a variable speed blower motor. And check it out. All right, fan is ramped up. Now, mind you, I'm in low speed on this system. We're at 0.12. And so the Dehu has a DG8 hooked up Bluetooth. It's 0.43 now. It was 0.26. And I'm gonna check to see flow. We had to close the vents on the alor because anything over 150, we have to open it. And then now that the static is raised, we have to close the vents, because the Santa Fe website said at 0.4 we should be like 130, 140. So we're at 140 with the AC running. So we're getting some decent airflow. Even with the AC static, it is independent return, and it goes into the plenum of the AC in here with the butterfly dampener. And like I said, I just want to commission it, make sure it's working good. All right, I messed up on that. So what I wanted to do was leave the AC on and the Dehu off. So we're going into humidity settings, and I set it all the way up high. Dehu is off. AC is on. I had to let it ramp up again. I took one probe out of the Dehu upstairs, so I'm just measuring static. I'm just measuring the pressure in the duct in the unit, 0.005, which is nothing, 1 Pascal roughly. And then I'm gonna see if any cold airs come out of here. So I changed the orientation, see how there's a down arrow, and we're gonna see if there's any flow coming out of the grill backwards, just to verify the butterfly dampener is good. I'll let it equalize. We're looking good. Looks like the dampener is good. So it's closing when the AC is pressurized in the duct up in the supply plenum. And I should have done this when I commissioned it 6 months ago. Well, I didn't commission it. And like I said, everything's running great. It's raining all day. We're at 50% relative humidity. Comfortable in the house. It's nice to have the Bluetooth capability with the DG8. And catch you kids on the next one.